Mm, yeah, actually, I have been looking for a course about data, data science. Yeah, data science.
Okay.
Yeah, because
And
yeah, I really
mhm.
want. Yeah, because I really want yeah build build an online business, something like that. So I think I need to know a lot about data science or something like that. You know.
Okay, what is your educational background? What have you done your graduation in?
Actually, I graduated from National Economic University.
Okay.
Yeah, and
And what did you study?
excuse me.
What did you study? What is your bachelor's degree in? What subject?
Uh, just economy in general about macro and micro economy. Yeah,
And what was your GPA?
my GPA is 7.2, 7.2 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what sort of work experience do you have? What do you do for work?
Uh, yeah, I I work um, kind of many job. Yeah, kind of many job since since the day I graduated from university. Uh, Bank, real estate broker, uh, English center. Yeah,
And how
and
many years of total work experience do you have?
excuse me.
How many years of work experience do you have? Total work experience?
5 years in total. 5 years now.
Okay. And do you have any coding experience? Do you know anything about Python or MongoDB or Power BI? Any coding experience?
Well, unfortunately, I I don't know anything about that field. Yeah.
Duck, can you give me 1 minute? Somebody's at the door. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, sure, sure, no problem.
I'll be back in a
Okay, sure, sure.
Hi, Doug. Thank you for waiting.
It's problem, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
it's
So
fine.
you don't have any coding experience, but are you open to learning? I'm guessing you're an economic student, so you're good with maths and numbers and statistics.
Mm, yes, I used to study and yeah several subjects about math, uh, number or something like that. But honestly, I'm not so good at the number. I'm not so good at honestly.
Okay. Okay. But you still want to study data science, correct?
Um, you know,
Or you
I really
want to
wanna,
do a MBA?
mm, yeah.
Do you want to study MBA with a specialization in business analytics or data analytics, or do you want to study a course which is purely about data science?
Mm, I wanna build my own business. Build my own business. Yeah,
Business in what? What do you want to do your business in?
online, online.
Online.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you do I mean, are you saying you want to study digital marketing?
Mm, digital marketing.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is a uh, the field I also wanna learn. I think so because to but the main thing here is about the data. Big data, something like that. Yeah, but
You want
not
to study Do you want to study big data? Is that what you said?
yes.
What is the business going to be in? What kind of a business are you looking at?
Uh, Actually now I'm working with some partners. They are building a company about technology, uh, about yeah, education, something like that.
Okay. So when you say you want to study big data, do you have any idea about what big data is?
Big data is mm, I think it will be very important in online business in the future. I think so. I I wanna have an overview, an overview, and in details as well about the big data. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you how much time investment do you want to have in your course? I mean, have you thought how much what duration you want to invest in studying? Like
Mm,
1 year, 2 years? What is your time frame?
mm, uh, yeah, I think I can invest maybe around 6 months to 1 year.
Okay. And is there a certain budget that you have?
You mean about the budget? The budget? How much money?
Budget, yes.
How
Because
much?
yes, yes, because I have a big data which is 7 months as well. I also have a program which is 1 year, and I have a program which is almost 2 years, 1.5 to 2 years. So I need to know what kind of time investment and what kind of money you want to put into your education.
Mm,
Do
yeah.
you have a budget?
Um, yeah, but first of all, I would like to know about the job program in detail, and then I can decide. Yeah, it's depend on the know the knowledge that the course can give me. That's the most important. Yeah, yeah. About the budget,
Correct. So
it's
let me
also yeah, yeah.
So let me show you the program brochure for big data. So you're sure you want to study big data, or would you prefer having digital marketing as a program as well? Because at the end of the day, you come from an economic background, you come from the management side.
Mm.
Big data is software development. It is completely different than what you're doing.
So, do you have any recommend? I mean, a recommendation uh, for one
See,
course which I can learn about the big data in overview, not really detail and coding, and combined with business as well, something like that. Do you have any course, something like that?
yeah, just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm going to share my screen now, and I
Sure.
will show you a course which is a certification program in big data. It is for 7.5 months and it will only focus on big data. Okay.
Mm.
Can you make me the host for the meeting so that I can share my screen?
Uh, okay, let's see. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it. Just give
Yeah.
me 1 second. Mm. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, sure. I'm looking up.
Correct. So this is the program which is an advanced certificate program in big data, which is for 7.5 months. Starts on the 30th of June. Just give me 1 second, please. Sorry. So it is a 7.5 month program, starts on 30th of June. And what we basically cover is these programming languages and tools that you can see on your screen right now, which out of which Python is the most important learning module at the current time. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we've got Hadoop. Sorry, mate. I've got, yeah. So we've got Hadoop, we've got Python, we've got Spark, we've also got Edgebase, and so on and so forth. So we've got Kafka, uh, we've got Spark Streaming, we've got Flink. So all these programming tools that you see right in front of you are the ones which are very much in demand and required in the current time if you're especially studying big data or any software program. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, this is a sample copy of the certificate. As you can clearly see, we do not mention Upgrad's name on it. We do not mention online on it. This is the same degree you get if you studied with the university directly. So it gets couriered out from the university, and unless you mention it, nobody would know you've studied an online course. It is as good as studying on campus.
Mm.
Does that make sense?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Now, what programs will we be covering when you study big data? So obviously, we'll have introduction to Python. We'll have the internet and networking basics. What we'll also cover is big data and the Amazon AWS setup, dimensional and relational data modeling, distributed systems and programming model, Hadoop and MapReduce programming, large scale data processing with Apache Spark. You'll also be doing a project on the tools or on the modules that you study here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
The next thing we'll be covering is the ETL and data ingestion, which is SCube and Flume. These are again software programming tools that you'll be learning. You'll be working on the NoSQL databases using Edgebase. You'll be working on modules like Hive and Querying, Amazon Redshift. And again, you'll be doing a course project on the modules you've studied. And there'll also be a exam week on all these modules that you've studied, because at the end of the day, we need to know that whatever you're studying, you're able to apply as well. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, another module you'll be focusing on is the real-time data processing, wherein you'll be learning how to process the data available in real time without any lags, without any backlog. You'll be any data that's generated in the present time, you can instantly analyze it and use it for your growth of the business. So for that, you'll be learning real-time data streaming. You'll be focusing on real-time data processing with Apache Spark. uh, you will then be doing design and deployment, which is the on the data platform based on the data you've analyzed in the real time. And obviously you'll also be doing working on a few applications for the same. Again, you have a course project and an exam on the same as well. So
Mm,
it is teaching you everything from the basic to the advanced level of big data,
mm,
and it's testing you at every stage. Every couple of months you will have a test, you will have a project to work on, and at the end of the day, the last month of the course one, which you can very clearly see here, it says 4 weeks, you'll be doing a capstone project. So for example, if you have a business problem in your mind, or if you the business that you want to start, you could actually take that up as your capstone project topic and cre- you know do a project on it using everything you've learned from day one till the end, and submit it to show that you've understood and learned everything we've taught you. The course will be delivered through the university faculty and industry experts. So this course allows you to interact with people from the industry who are working in big data roles, who are doing this on a daily basis, and that will help you learn more, focus more. It will help you solve your doubts and queries. They can also guide you in your own business. They will guide you with your assignments and projects as well. uh, we keep live sessions over the weekends, so that because weekend is when most people have time, so we keep our live sessions for you to have that one-on-one interaction with our instructors and our industry experts. We also have pre-recorded videos during the weekdays for you to access in your free time. Overall, it is a mix of recorded and live sessions, and gives you an opportunity to grasp everything you possibly can and have your doubts cleared through the live session as well. Any questions so far?
mm. Okay, I almost understand, but could you please explain again about the way how I will learn? I mean, about I will learn through recorded video or live session. Can you
Both,
explain
both.
again? Both.
So you will learn through the recorded videos during between Monday to Friday, and you will
Monday
learn
Monday to Friday.
yes, recorded sessions,
Uh,
and Saturday, Sunday live sessions. We keep our live sessions over the weekend because that is when most working professionals have free time. So that weekends is when most people have the day offs. So that's why we've kept our live sessions during the weekends. We have a discussion forum as well, which will help you ask or clarify your doubts on a 24/7 basis. You can post your queries there, you can post your doubts there, and the instructors will reply within 7 to 8 hours on the same model. Your fellow learners can also reply on it. It also gives you a chance to interact with people from different parts of the world. This is a global program with 40,000 plus learners already.
mhm. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, excuse me. So um, if I have any question, I mean, the first one is about recorded video. Recorded video. If I have any question during my learning for recorded
Yeah.
recorded video session, how
You
can
can
I get
type it in
help?
the discussion forum. You can type it in the discussion forum, and you will get help from your fellow classmates or the batchmates who are studying this with you. Even they can reply. And we have our teachers who reply within 7 to 8 hours. Yes. Okay.
Yes. So if I have any questions, my question will be answered on the weekend, not Uh,
No. If you have any questions, you can type it in the discussion forum and somebody from the faculty will respond in 7 to 8 hours. You can also have the same doubt cleared in the live session if you want to do it in the live session. But if right now, for example, if you're studying and you have a doubt, there is a there is a column called discussion forum. You paste your doubt there and you will get a response in 7 to 8 hours.
in 7 to 8 hours after my question.
Correct. Correct.
Not immediately.
Not immediately. No.
Hmm. Okay, but in the weekend, sorry, Saturday or Sunday,
Both. Both.
both 2 days. So I will learn whole the week.
Yeah, if you want to. So Monday to Friday you study at your own comfort, right? You
Hmm.
can study in the morning or you can study in the night because it is not live session. But Saturday, Sunday, your calendar will be pre-booked, pre-blocked. So you will already know in advance that okay, on Saturday at this time I have this live session, at this time I have this session. You will already know in advance.
Okay, okay, it makes sense. So for the live session, I can choose the timing, or I will follow the timing given by your company.
Yeah, you have to follow the timing given. And if you are not available at that time, you can let us know in advance and we can reschedule it for you.
One on one, or how many students in the class in a group?
So in a group, sometimes it will also be one-on-one mentorship with the industry expert. And sometimes it will be around 7 to 8 students in a live session.
Okay, okay.
So we keep less people so that you get that one-on-one experience and you get to interact with the teacher or the industry expert so that you can have that personal relationship with them and solve your doubts and your queries and study and learn
Mm,
as well.
mm, okay. So if I want only one on one, not in a group, because I wanna learn more. I wanna.
There will be sessions.
Is this
There will
okay?
be sessions which will be one-on-one.
Mm. Okay, so there will be session one on one, but sometimes will be in group.
Group. Yes, yes.
Uh, uh, if I want only one on one, is this okay?
No, not possible. We have to plan it considering everybody, right?
Mm.
If you want one-on-one, you can request. If the industry expert is available, we can make it happen, but it is rarely, not every time.
Mm, mm. Okay, I got it.
But the quality of the learning is 100% beneficial because we recently received an award from LinkedIn in 2020 as the number one edtech company in India.
Mm.
We have a valuation of $850 million and we've been active since the last 6 years. We deal with, and again the benefit is when you do this course, if in the future you want to do a master's degree, you can come back to us and we can help you continue from where you finished and do your masters. So for
Mm.
example, the masters is say 18 months. Okay,
Okay.
you've already studied 7.5 months of big data. If you want to do a master's, you will only be doing the remaining 10.5 months.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have to repeat the whole course.
Okay, I got it. Sorry, 1 second. I need to close my window. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Uh,
No, that's okay.
mm, yes. So, who will be my teacher if I join the class? Can
I'll show
you?
it to you. I'll show it to you.
Yeah. From India or from somewhere? From uh,
I'll show you. So we've got a few. So the course is delivered through Triple IT Bangalore. That is the university name. Sorry, it is called the International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. India is known for software and IT courses. I hope you know that India is the hub for information technology and software programs. Hello.
yes, I'm here. I'm listening
Yeah.
to you.
So, so one of the professors is Mr. Thanga Raju. He has a PhD in physics. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sure, sure.
So he has a PhD in physics. He has published over 60 papers. The next one is Mr. Sujit Kumar. He's an associate professor who also holds a PhD in computer science and automation from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. The next one is Meenakshi D'Souza. She's a associate professor and has a master's in mathematics from University of Madras and a PhD in theoretical computer science as well.
Mm,
The next, now, like I said, it is a mix of university faculty and industry experts. So the next person teaching you is actually going to be, is a senior software manager from Microsoft. He has a master's degree in computer science from IIT and 15 years of experience working in software companies like Informatica, which is in California. The next person involved here is an engineering manager from Walmart. Have you heard of Walmart?
sure. A big corporation
Correct.
about retail in the world.
Correct. So we've got him. Sorry, just give me 1 second. Let me just refresh the page. Yeah. The next one is IBM. We've got a senior system analyst from IBM
Mm,
who has over 20 years of experience working in software industry for behemoths like Wipro, Hewlett Packard, which is HP, and IBM. Heard of these brands? Have you heard of these brands?
you mean have have I
Have you
heard
heard of?
about IBM?
Yes,
Sure,
HP.
sure.
Yeah,
IBM is one of the biggest uh, technology company in the world.
correct. And so the senior system analyst is one of our industry experts from there. Then we've got the director of Free Charge. It is one of the brands. He's also worked as a director at Zomato and Snapdeal.
Mm,
These Indian brands. I don't know if you've heard of Zomato. Zomato is available globally. Have you heard of Zomato?
mm,
Good.
mm,
Then we
mm,
then we've got a senior software engineer from LinkedIn. He's got over 10 years experience working with multiple MNCs like Walmart, PayPal, and Oracle. And he also holds a bachelor's and master's degree from IIT. The next person involved in teaching you is the strategy and architecture consultant from ZS. He's a database admin with extensive experience in designing, coding, testing, and supporting next gen database solutions. Another person involved is the software engineer from Microsoft again, uh, and he's worked in various cloud and big data tech companies.
well,
Now, another one we've got here is an engineer called Ashwin Sinha. Again, has a is a big data engineer, and he has more than 5 years of experience in developing, designing, and analyzing large-scale data using big data technologies like Kafka, Flink, etc.
mm,
So it gives you a mix of working professionals who are doing this job every day, who will teach you all the important modules of big data, but you also have three professors from the university teaching you the theoretical base as well. Does that make
Mm.
sense?
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
So do they are they still working for their current company or they
Yes.
already
Yes.
quit?
No, no. These are people who are actually currently working, and that's how they are our industry experts. So we
Uh,
have partnership with 300 plus tier one businesses, and that's how we source these industry experts. They help us develop our curriculum, our syllabus as well. So whatever you study will be relevant, and it will be in terms with the current situation of the industry. You will
mm,
not learn anything which is outdated or old. You will learn things which are important and required in the industry at today's time.
mm, okay, I got it.
So, what do you think? Is this what you are looking for?
Mm. So is this course relating to coding
Yes,
or coding?
yes, yes. You will learn how to code as well.
Mm. Is this very difficult for newbie like me?
No, it is. We make our programs for people with 0 to 1 year of experience. So we
Mm,
make our programs for people like you who want to have a career transition, who want to learn something new for their future, for their business, or for a new job.
mm,
So if we teach people who already know everything, there is no growth. We
mm,
want to teach people who don't know but want to still learn and change their life.
mm. Yes, I
So
got.
yeah, so this program is made for people like you. If you already know it, what is the point of me teaching you the same things again and again?
Mm. Yes, because honestly, I um, my knowledge in coding and data is number zero. Yeah,
That's
honestly.
okay. That is okay. We don't
Mm,
need you. We don't need you. See, I'll show you something again. I'll show you something again. Look at this. This is the same program that I'm showing you.
mm,
Read over here. The eligibility is a bachelor's degree with 50% or equivalent passing marks. No coding experience required.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, okay, I got.
So don't worry. If you don't have any coding experience, you will still be okay.
Mm.
Now, the
Yeah,
question is, are you able to take the challenge and are you able to put yourself in a position where you have to study and you have to learn something new? Are you ready to take up that opportunity, that challenge for yourself? That is the question.
yeah, I got the point. Yes, I know. I totally agree with you that if we wanna achieve something new or uh, if we wanna achieve some great result in our life, we must take the risky challenge. I think so.
Correct.
Yes, yeah,
And I
something
am
else.
not trying to, and I don't want you to do something which is going to be very difficult and very expensive for you because this is new. I will guide you in a way which is comfortable and not too much pressure. And it is a small investment so that it does not affect your life in a big way. What I'm trying to say is, I also have a 1 year course, I also have a master's course. But if I give you that, half of it will go over the head. You won't understand it. I want you to focus on big data and understand the basics. I want you to understand the basic and the advanced level of big data in the next 7.5 months. And once you learn and once you practice and once you're more confident, you can come back to me and I can help you learn more in the future. And if you enjoy the course, you can recommend it to your friends and colleagues as well. And if they come on board, we will also reward you for the same. We also give you cash back, we give you some money back if you refer somebody and they take up a course as well. But first, you need to take up a course and like it. If you like it, you will give me more people who will be interested in different courses with us. So
Yeah.
you also have the opportunity to make this course absolutely free. All you have to do is, once you get on board, just keep referring few people to me, and if they come on board, if they take up any course, not only big data, if they take up any course, we will keep giving you some money back into your account, and there is a high chance that you might refer 10 people, and if all of them take up the course, you might make the course absolutely free for yourself.
Mm. If I can
So
refer 10 people.
I'm giving you an example.
Mm.
It can also happen in two people. If they take up, expensive courses, we give you big rewards.
Mm.
If they take up cheap courses, we give you less reward. But you always have the opportunity to get your money back while you're studying. You also have the opportunity here to invest little amount, but learn everything about big data in the next 7.5 months.
Okay.
So because we've been trying to get hold of each other for so long, unfortunately the admissions are closing today. That's why I'm sick, but I'm still doing a Zoom call because I've been talking to you for so many days. I'm glad that you got in touch today because I had lost hope, to be very honest. uh, so mm, uh, the ball is in your court now, and you need to decide whether you want to do it or not. I am more than happy to help you out with the journey, with the process. You can always stay in touch with me. If you have any issues, any problems, you can always email me, or we can come back on a Zoom call. Not a problem. Uh, but if you genuinely want to learn, and you genuinely want to be more confident in the next 7-8 months, then you need to take up a course, whether it's this one or any other. You need to take up something and start studying. The more you think about it, the more you talk about it, the more confused you will be.
Yeah, I got it. Mm. Yeah, so the duration of this course is 7 months. 7 months.
7.5, 7.5 months.
7.5 months. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, okay.
it is 7.5 months.
7.5, okay. Uh, how much is a course? Excuse me. How much?
So the cost for this course is 1,999 US dollars. So roughly 2,000 US dollars.
2,000. Do you and your company have any discount on this course for this period of
It
time?
depends. If you pay, how are you planning to pay? If you're Are you going to pay with your debit card or credit card? How do you plan to pay? It depends how you're paying. If you're
Mm.
paying in a certain way, I can probably get you some discount, but you need to tell me how do you plan to pay.
Visa cost
Visa
probably.
card, if you pay the whole amount in one shot, I can probably try for a $200 discount.
Mm. If I pay just one time,
Yeah,
you will give
I
me
can
200 in discount.
10%. I'll give you 10% discount, because that is the policy. At the end of the day, it is a small course, it is not very expensive. This is the range I can be in. If you make one shot payment, so if you fill in the application right now, and once you are shortlisted for the program, and once you're eligible to pay, if you pay $1,800 in one go, I will make sure you don't have to pay the extra 200.
Mm. Okay, I got it.
What do you think? And also, if you refer someone, if you say, for example, if you refer a friend,
Mm.
and he or she takes up the same course, for example, if they take up a 7 6 7 months program, we will give you $199 back. So you can earn $200 back for every friend or colleague who comes up to take a small duration course. If somebody takes up a bigger course, which is say $7 8,000 course or a $10,000 course, for example, we can the benefit can go up to $500 as well.
Mm,
So
okay.
you also have the opportunity to now it will cost you
Yes.
I will try to get them on board that cash benefit every time somebody comes on board because
Okay. So uh, it could be better if I pay in only one shot.
correct, correct,
Mm, mm,
correct.
200
Are you comfortable?
$200 back for me discount.
Yeah. So instead of 2000, you only pay 1800.
Mm, 1,800.
Correct,
Mm,
correct.
mm, mm, mm. Okay, got it. When will the course begin? I
30th June, last day of June.
last day of June in 1 month.
Yeah, in 1 month.
When is the deadline? I can pay.
Like I said, the admissions are closing today. We close the admission at least 1 month before the course because we have to do other admin work before the program starts.
Mm,
So we close the admission early. That's why I told you in the email that the course is admission is closing today. So if you want to do this, we need to do it right now. Today
mm.
is the last day for application.
Oh.
That's why I keep calling you and emailing you. Let's get in touch. Let's get in touch.
Mm, mm. What if tomorrow? What if tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Saturday. Difficult,
Uh,
difficult.
Today is Friday. Yeah,
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Friday. Okay.
Are you comfortable with why do you ask tomorrow? Why
No, just I need to check everything again before I make a decision or something like that. Yeah, just wanna have more a little bit
okay.
time to pay something like that. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Uh you want time to pay? You want some time to arrange the money? Is that what you're telling me?
No, just I need to check more about the curriculum or and to make sure that
Okay.
the program is suitable for me. That's the most important.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
concerned.
So I tell you one thing. Okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. I will I will share the PDF for the program on the chat on over here, on the chat box over here. Open the PDF and go through the curriculum, and I will talk to you on the same link, on the same Zoom link in 1 hour. Is that okay?
Mm. Can you send me through my email because
Okay. Okay.
maybe
I
yeah,
email it to you.
because in
Yeah.
around 15 minutes I need to do some stuff, yeah, something like that.
So then if I email you the PDF, when can you get in touch with me today? What
mm,
time? How much time?
uh let's see, I will get back to you maybe because this evening I have some important work to do. Yeah, very
Okay.
important. I'm not sure that I can come back home in time and make the video call to you. Yeah. So I think, but I will check email definitely, absolutely. Yeah, and I'll get back to you definitely.
But around, will you get back to me today? Because if you push it to tomorrow, I have to make arrangements for tomorrow because the admission is closing today. I have
Mm,
to request my manager to give me one more day. So
mm,
if I make that request, I have to be confident that you will respond to me. So I would request that you take out around half an hour
mm,
sometime today to come back on Zoom so that we can do the application and I can help you get the course, get enrolled for the course. Uh,
okay.
can you do that today?
Um, I wanna ask a question again about
Correct.
the learning time. Uh,
Yes.
the first one about the recorded video during the week, day week, from Monday to Friday. Yeah, so I can learn anytime or how much time per day I can learn.
Yeah. You can learn anytime and how much ever you want to. No problem.
24 hour is okay. Okay, so how about the live session? How long is per one live
Live
session?
session.
How
Live
long?
session can go anywhere from 45 minutes to 1.5 hour, 2 hour maximum.
Mm, 45 minutes to 2 hours
Yeah.
maximum. Both Saturday and
Yeah.
Sunday, two live session.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah. Depends. Sometimes two live sessions in one day, sometimes one day. Depends on the industry expert, depends on the module you're studying as well. Sometimes three live session in one day, sometimes two live session in 2 days. Mix.
okay, okay. Oh, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you please send me the PDF file through my email, and I will check the PDF file, and then I will get back to you maybe at midnight. Okay, midnight today, because I will come back kind of late. Yeah.
No problem. Midnight. Are you saying Singapore midnight?
Vietnam time. Bangkok. Yeah, Bangkok time.
Bangkok time. Okay, Bangkok time.
Mm,
So just give me 1 second.
yeah, 2 hour maybe ahead from you.
Okay, Bangkok. So right now it is 4 o'clock for you.
Yes, yeah, it's 4
Five.
p.m. 4:05.
Yeah. 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 So you are 1.5 hour ahead of me. So 10:30 IST or 12 o'clock midnight for you. I'll wait
Mm,
for you to email. Okay.
okay, sure. I'll get back to you.
Cool. Thank you. Any questions before I end the call?
Uh, yeah, I think I have already got the main information, the majority about the information
Is
that
this the kind of program you were looking for? Is this what you wanted to study? This is what you're looking for?
program and the way how I to learn or something like that. Just sometimes my memory isn't so good, so
Yeah.
everything is like chaos, so I couldn't remember so well. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but do you like what we are offering? Is this what you wanted to do? Are you looking for this kind of experience? What the course and the way we are teaching, is this what you are comfortable with?
Yeah, I think I'm uh, I'm interested in the course that you already offer me. Yeah, I think
Okay.
it I think is the one which is suitable for me.